Alright guys, we're out here. Got the new Weico CFX 3 75 litre dual zone, and there's a problem though. When I put it in my car, it opens the wrong way. So we think that we can take these off and take that off and flip it, and then hopefully it opens up the other way. But we're gonna give it a crack and follow along. First out, we're gonna take this off. Looking good so far. Alright, this looks promising. Fuck. Alright, so we've got those off. Now, to take these off, you just fold them back and then they come off. Too easy. Alright. Now time to get these off. Alright, so we have to go get a screwdriver. We're just going to take these off now. This should come out now. There we go. Easy. Too easy. Alright, now you're just going to get an Allen key, get in there and get this one out. Jeez. A bit of screwing and now it's off. So that's the first one. Alright, now we're just going to take them out on the other side. Shouldn't take too long. Easy. So now we just want to put these back into whatever this is from the other side, and we're moving it across now. And then that should just fit on there. And now we screw it in. Put these ones back in. Alright, just putting the last little bit on. And she's in. Too easy. Now you just want to you might as well put these clips back on. If you can get them. Far out. Alright, there we go, there's one. Don't know if it's done on the right way, and there's two. So that's this side, and then just on this other side, if you just screw these back in so this fits in, push it in, chuck these back on, cover that, and that should be it. In theory, this should work, and these should just go back on here. Bang, bang, fridge closed. Bang, bang. Yeah, it looks alright, about right. And that's how you swap your fridge doors to the other side on the Dometic fridge. Happy camping.